Are you looking for the top 5 sofa-in-a-box brands you can buy? In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at some of the best sofa-in-a-box brands you can buy on the market today. Before we dive in, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check those out to find the one that fits your style and budget. Number 1. Sofa-in-a-box Memory Foam 3-Seater Couch. Innovative box packaging sofa in a box. Our unique box pack design compresses the entire sofa into a single, easy-to-move box. Effortlessly transport and place the sofa in any desired location with just 2 adults. This innovative packaging not only simplifies the delivery and setup process, but also makes an excellent choice for apartments and smaller spaces. Instant setup. The sofa quickly expands to its original shape within seconds of unpacking, allowing immediate use. While full recovery takes 48 hours, the rapid initial expansion ensures you can start enjoying your new sofa right away. No tools or complicated assembly required, making it a hassle-free addition to your home. Superior support and comfort. This full foam sofa features a combination of supportive foam and memory foam layers, providing exceptional support while maintaining the soft comfort that foam sofas are known for. Enjoy a perfect balance of firmness and coziness, ideal for lounging, reading, or watching TV. Premium velvet fabric. Upholstered in soft, skin-friendly velvet fabric. This sofa offers a luxurious and comfortable touch, enhancing your living space with its elegant and inviting appearance. The high-quality fabric is durable, easy to clean, and resistant to wear, ensuring long-lasting beauty and comfort. Number 2. Vongrasig 79-inch convertible sectional couch sofa with storage ottoman. Ultimate comfort. This sectional sofa stands out with its fine linen fabric and 5.5-inch high-density sponge cushion, which not only feels soft to touch, but also is durable, allowing you to enjoy a comfortable leisurely time, whether you are sitting or lying down. Rugged construction. The reinforced backrest and hardwood frame ensure that the sofa is firmly supported and remains elegant even under the weight of up to 600 pounds, providing unparalleled comfort and ideal for your home life. Easy cleaning design. With the convenience of daily cleaning in mind, we have specially designed detachable armrest seat cushions and back covers. This innovative design makes cleaning effortless and easy with a simple removal. Multifunctional storage configuration. We are specially equipped with a multifunctional footstool. It can be used as a footstool, easily converted into a coffee table, or even as a storage box for blankets, magazines, small snacks, and more. Easy to assemble. We know the trouble of assembling furniture, so we specially designed this sofa that is easy to assemble. No tools are required. Just follow the simple and clear installation instructions, and the assembly can be easily completed in 20 minutes. Number 3. Vongrasig convertible sectional couches. Comfortable sectional sofa. The sofa is made of modern linen fabric with a hardwood frame as the basic structure. The linen fabric is comfortable and not easy to pilling, fading. Soft cushions and a reinforced back eases the rebound, providing strong comfort. Removable pillows armrest. We provide 2 soft and removable armrest cushions, perfect for your leisure time, whatever sitting or lying. The seat and back cushion covers are removable for washing with zippers on the back. Multi-purpose design. This small space reversible sectional sofa with a movable ottoman. You can place square ottoman on left or right of sectional sofa to fit against the wall in your living room. You can use the variability of sofa to change the style of the room at any time. Easy assembly. Anyone can easily install the sofa within 20 minutes according to the installation instructions without any tools. We store the legs and assembly hardware and one of the armrests in a hidden compartment at the bottom of the sofa. Customer service. Free replacement for damaged and defective items and missing accessories. If any problem, please feel free to contact us. Log into your Amazon account, choose your orders, find the order ID, click Contact Seller. Number 4. Modern Loveseat sofa couch in a box, no assembly needed. Innovative compact hybrid sofa in a box for small spaces, ideal for small couches for small spaces. This 2-seater Loveseat combines spring support with memory foam comfort. Compressed into a compact box. 14.96 inches by 14.96 inches by 37.4 inches. 68.34 pounds. It's easy to maneuver through tight spaces like doorways and elevators, making a practical home sofa living room solution for apartments and studios. Ingle Sofa Chair. Effortless setup. Simply unbox and let your new big comfy couch expand to its full shape within 24 to 48 hours. No tools or assembly needed. Perfect for adding stylish comfort to small living spaces or bedrooms quickly and without hassle. Ultimate comfort with coordinated accents. This sofa features a cozy feel of a cloud couch with the added bonus of 2 matching throw pillows. Enjoy the perfect balance of firm spring support and plush memory foam, ideal for compact rooms, providing a versatile and stylish option for a sleeper sofa or cozy seating in bedrooms or home offices. Durable, scratch-resistant linen upholstery covered in elegant beige linen fabric. This sofa is both stylish and practical. The scratch-resistant material stands up to wear and tear from pets, while the sophisticated texture enhances any room's decor. Versatile design. This sofa bed couch offers both style and functionality, making it a perfect fit for any small living room. Its compact design and high comfort level make it a great choice for various uses, from daily lounging to accommodating overnight guests. Number 5. MAXYOYO 3-seater couch for living room. 3-seater couch sofa. This 3-seater couch is suitable for parent-child cuddling, family movie watching, or chatting with friends, creating an intimate social space without boundaries. Pillows can meet multifunctional needs, accurately adapting from reading to taking a nap, allowing you to enjoy comfortable rest time. Tufted craft and armrest. Exquisite button tufted details are designed on the cushion and backrests, outlining elegant lines and showcasing style and charm. Paired with widened armrests, it provides ample support for the arms, bringing a comfortable and pleasant resting experience. Comfort and support. This 3-seater couch is filled with whole foam and highly resilient shredded foam, making this beanbag sofa couch both cloud-like and soft wraparound, but also able to always maintain a stable shape during long-term use, providing users with long-lasting and high-quality sitting experience. Textured corded fabric. Wrapped in premium corduroy, this sofa couch in a box delivers a soft, skin-friendly feel with stylish rib texture. Durable and breathable, it's made to stay plush and beautiful through everyday lounging. No assembly required. Forget about complicated setup. Simply open the package, place it in a ventilated and dry environment. Wait for about 48 hours or so to be able to return to its original shape. Meanwhile, gently pat each part to improve its elasticity and luster. You can enjoy a comfortable experience.